how to make attractive thumbnail for YouTube videos in mobile. So, to make a HD quality professional thumbnail like this in just few minutes, we will use the Canva application available in the Google Play Store. So let's start. How to make attractive thumbnail for YouTube videos in mobile. At the first time, you need to sign into Canva application with your email ID.
2000 years later.
So this is the home of Canva application. On the top, in the search bar, type YouTube. From the auto suggestions, select YouTube thumbnail. So here we find hundreds of amazing thumbnail templates, and we can customize them in just few clicks. But stop! We will not be using these templates. We will choose the blank template.
What?
Yes, we will create a thumbnail from scratch. First we will change the background color. Select the thumbnail and tap color. I choose a dark shade of blue. Then tap on this plus sign. Select elements and type circle in the search bar. You can tap on graphics to filter out unnecessary images. I choose this plain white circle. Select circle on thumbnail. From bottom panel, change this color to yellow like this. Select the circle and drag a corner to increase its size and position it at your left side. Let me make this color a bit brighter. Next, tap duplicate. Tap color and change it to black. Now select transparency and decrease opacity to 20. Tap on position and then select backwards. This will send the new circle layer behind the yellow circle. Select nudge and then move it towards the right and position it so that it seems like a shadow. Now you need to add your transparent PNG image here. Tap on this plus icon to add your image. Go to Uploads. Select Upload Media. Instead of my image, I have downloaded an image from the internet. The image gets uploaded to Canva application. Tap on the image again. Now you can change the image properties. Go to Flip and select Flip Horizontal. I will bring it at the corner and increase the size. Tap Adjust to change image brightness, contrast and other properties. Tap Duplicate to duplicate the layer. Then go to Adjust and decrease the brightness, increase the contrast, decrease the saturation, and then go to Blur and increase it a bit. Now I will send this layer backwards. Select position and tap backwards to send the layer backwards. See, this gives a shadow effect. Select nudge and move it minutely to position it correctly. Finally, tap transparency and decrease transparency. So we have added a wonderful shadow effect to our image. Now let's add some text. Select plus sign. From the bottom panel, choose text and then tap add a heading. Go to font and search and select this Montserrat font. This is already showing up here as I had searched for it earlier. I bring the font towards right, tap color and change color to white. Now tap edit and edit the text. I write awesome. Now I will apply some effects to the text. So select effects. Choose lift and increase intensity. I position text correctly and make it a bit bigger, and using this handle I tilt it slightly. Select duplicate and edit text to type thumbnail. Again, select duplicate and write with mobile. Resize text. Now I will add a background rectangle to thumbnail. Select Elements. Select Rectangle from Elements Graphics. Resize the rectangle. Place it behind the word thumbnail and rotate it slightly, just like the text. I select the text thumbnail and change the color to blue. And I change the font style to Eco. I make some adjustment with the text size and position. The thumbnail is almost ready and I feel the thumbnail is already awesome. However, you can do some add-ons if you want. Tap the plus sign, go to Elements and search for a triangle. So I select a triangle, rotate it and make the size bigger. Adjust a bit like this and place it vertically at the center. Then select transparency and decrease the opacity around 30. Select position and tap backwards multiple times until it goes behind the text. Next, if you want, you can add a mobile frame to this. I have the image already uploaded in Canva, so I tap the plus sign and go to Uploads. The image link is included in the description. You can download it if you want. Select the mobile frame and place it like this. Now I think the thumbnail is complete and it looks super awesome. If you are watching it till here, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more such amazing videos. Now if you want to know the tips to make a professional thumbnail in KineMaster application, then don't miss this video on left. So see you there in that video. Thanks for watching.